If any of you lack wisdom, let him ask of God, that giveth to all men liberally, and upbraideth not, and it shall be given him. When life feels uncertain, or you are overwhelmed, remember this promise. God never withholds wisdom. He doesn't shame you for not knowing what to do. He invites you to ask. Every question, every moment of confusion is an opportunity to receive clarity straight from the one who sees the whole picture, from start to finish. You're not expected to figure out life alone. Guidance is freely available, and God is eager to give it, and upbraideth not, which means he does not hold back. Trust the Holy Spirit to lead and guide you today.